Frozen human remains, discovered in an icy cave, estimated to be 20,000 years ago. The woman's protective posture suggests a solitary and defensive final moment. A deer-tooth charm clutched in her hand indicates a personal item of significance. DNA is extracted from the deer-tooth charm found with the remains. The extracted DNA undergoes analysis to determine its genetic characteristics. Analysis reveals the individual was part of a larger, interconnected network. 26,000 years ago, Earth transformed into a hostile environment during the Ice Age. During the Ice Age, temperatures plummeted, causing glaciers to advance across continents. The atmosphere during the Ice Age was thick with dust, creating extreme conditions for human survival. Early humans adapted to harsh conditions by utilizing fire for warmth and caves as sanctuaries. Deliberate actions, such as tool creation, were crucial for early human survival and adaptation. Innovation played a key role in early human perseverance, enabling them to overcome environmental challenges. Bone needles discovered at the Jana River site in Siberia demonstrate advanced tool craftsmanship. The uniformity and refined features of the bone needles challenge previous assumptions about early tool-making sophistication. Functionality and design suggest a higher level of technical skill than previously attributed to this period. Bone needles are crafted through a meticulous process, using specific animal bones. Fox bones provide flexibility, while lynx bones offer enhanced durability for needle construction. Precision drilling and honing techniques are essential for creating functional bone needles. Bone needles enabled the creation of fitted clothing layers for warmth, breathability, and movement in sub-zero environments. Fitted clothing design allowed bodies to trap warmth effectively in extreme cold. Clothing design served as a critical form of life support in sub-zero conditions. Microscopic examination reveals tiny spirals etched onto the bone needle surfaces. Consistent spiral patterns suggest rotary drilling methods and standardized tool speeds. Polished shafts indicate repetitive use and standardization, pointing to early manufacturing processes. Layered clothing systems involve wearing snug undergarments to trap warmth against the skin. Mid-layers provide insulation by trapping air and reducing heat loss from the body. Outerwear repels wind and moisture, protecting the inner layers and maintaining thermal comfort. Ice Age humans in Mezhyrich, Ukraine, constructed dwellings from mammoth remains. The scale and complexity of these mammoth bone structures challenge conventional views of prehistoric life. Mammoth bone dwellings provided shelter and protection for Ice Age humans. Mammoth bone dwellings feature walls rising over 12 feet, constructed from interlocking ivory bones. The architectural design incorporates suspended flooring to facilitate air circulation and insulation. The use of mammoth bones as building material provides both structural support and insulation for the dwelling. Organized living spaces within the dwelling include distinct areas for specific activities. Tool storage areas are designated for the systematic arrangement of various implements. Domestic anchors, such as hearths, served as central features within the living space. Mammoth bone dwellings served as permanent structures for multi-generational homes. These dwellings represent a long-term commitment to a fixed location and community. Time-lapse simulations illustrate the longevity and resilience of mammoth bone structures as homes. Obsidian originates from volcanic regions within the Caucasus Mountains. Obsidian was transported over 300 miles from its source to regions where it is not naturally available. The trade of obsidian facilitated cultural exchange and resource distribution across ancient communities. Mediterranean seashells, known for their delicate and ornamental nature, are found in areas far from the coast. The presence of seashells in inland settlements indicates the existence of long-distance trade networks. These trade routes facilitated the exchange of goods between coastal and inland communities. Baltic amber is fossilized tree resin. Baltic amber's journey indicates Ice Age trade networks. The distribution of amber reveals the extent of ancient trade. Trade routes across glacial valleys present significant logistical challenges due to the terrain. The success of trade in these regions relies on mutual benefit and tacit agreements between parties. Visualizing trade routes highlights the intricate network of dependencies and resource flows in glacial regions. Long-distance goods exchange necessitates trust between parties in a pre-literate society. Memory plays a crucial role in maintaining trade relationships and honoring agreements. Shared understanding ensures consistent interpretation of trade terms and prevents disputes. Ice Age humans developed sophisticated fire management techniques for warmth, cooking, and protection. Advanced tool-making allowed for efficient hunting, processing food, and constructing shelters. Innovative shelter construction provided protection from harsh weather and predators. Community gatherings foster social cohesion through shared warmth and mutual support. Storytelling within community gatherings serves as a vital mechanism for cultural transmission and shared understanding. Preservation of memories during social interactions strengthens community identity and collective history. The bone needle represents an early innovation in clothing design dating back to the Ice Age. The bone needle's invention facilitated the creation of tailored clothing for survival in harsh climates. Modern sewing tools and techniques are a direct legacy of this fundamental innovation. Mammoth-bone dwellings demonstrate sophisticated architectural principles developed during the Ice Age. The structural integrity of mammoth-bone architecture parallels modern construction techniques in material usage and design. Ice Age builders displayed ingenuity by utilizing available resources for durable and sustainable shelter construction. Ice Age trade networks facilitated human connection and exchange across considerable distances. Modern global trade represents a continuation of this fundamental human behavior on a vastly larger scale. Despite technological advancements, the core principle of exchanging goods and services remains constant throughout history. Human resilience is demonstrated through the ability to adapt to environmental challenges. Innovation plays a key role in developing solutions for survival in changing environments. Collaboration is essential for humanity to overcome environmental obstacles. Archaeological sites represent more than just physical remains. They embody dormant memories of past civilizations. These sites serve as enduring songs that resonate through time, reminding us of the essence of humanity. By studying these historical remnants, we gain insight into what it truly means to be human. Archaeological excavations reveal spondylus shells, indicating ancient trade networks. Spondylus shells, originating from the Aegean Sea, were transported thousands of miles. The presence of these shells suggests early trade networks existed across vast distances. Spondylus shells are harvested from coastal waters. The shells undergo preparation processes after extraction. Prepared shells are packaged for long-distance transport, requiring logistical coordination. Ancient traders transported shells across vast mountain ranges. River systems served as crucial transportation routes for ancient traders. The transportation of shells demonstrates the logistical capabilities of ancient traders. Ancient traders engage in bartering, exchanging goods across linguistic and cultural boundaries. Spondylus shells serve as a valuable commodity in early economic interactions. Bartering facilitates trade and economic activity in the absence of a standardized currency. Spondylus shells were used as pendants to symbolize status. Spondylus shells were sewn into garments, indicating a connection to a broader network. The use of spondylus shells as adornments signified social standing. Ancient human DNA is extracted from a deer tooth pendant. The extracted DNA reveals information about the pendant's wearer from 20 years ago. Genetic analysis provides insights into ancient human history and migration patterns. Microscopic grooves on the pendant's surface indicate frequent wear. Frequent wear suggests the pendant's significance and personal connection to the wearer. The pattern of wear provides insights into the history and use of the pendant. DNA analysis reveals the wearer was a woman from the northern Eurasian steppes. This finding highlights the interconnectedness of ancient populations across Eurasia. Genetic evidence provides insights into the migration and interaction of ancient Eurasian groups. Pendants and carvings with similar designs are found across the continent. Shared symbols and styles suggest a network of interconnected individuals. These connections indicate cultural exchange and shared beliefs across the continent. During the last Ice Age, Neanderthals, Denisovans, and Homo sapiens coexisted on Earth. Each human species possessed unique physical and genetic characteristics adapted to the Ice Age environment. These species adapted to the harsh conditions of the last Ice Age. Neanderthals exhibited exceptional physical strength, a key adaptation to challenging environments. Their robust skeletal structure and powerful musculature contributed to their physical superiority. Adaptations, like increased bone density and muscle mass, enabled Neanderthals to thrive in demanding conditions. Denisovans exhibited advanced brain development, indicating sophisticated cognitive abilities. Adaptation to high altitudes is a notable characteristic of the Denisovan population. Unique traits distinguish Denisovans from other hominin populations, reflecting their distinct evolutionary path. Homo sapiens exhibit cooperative behaviors, sharing resources across geographical areas. Knowledge exchange is a key component of cooperation among Homo sapiens. fostering innovation and adaptation. Cooperation extends beyond kinship, with Homo sapiens assisting individuals and groups based on mutual benefit and shared goals. Resource depletion in one region prompts Homo sapiens to seek resources elsewhere. Trade emerges as a solution, demonstrating the capacity for cooperation and resilience. Homo sapiens demonstrate cooperation and resilience by trading when resources are scarce. Genetic studies indicate that Homo sapiens underwent rapid adaptation during the glacial era. These adaptations allowed humans to survive and thrive in harsh glacial environments. The rapid genetic changes reflect the intense selective pressures of the glacial period. During the Ice Age, physiological adaptations occurred, including the expansion of lung capacity. Expanded lung capacity allows for more efficient oxygen extraction from the thin, frigid air. This adaptation demonstrates a crucial survival mechanism in response to environmental challenges. Blood circulation adapts to prioritize heat retention in vital organs. This reconfiguration of blood flow demonstrates energy-saving physiological adaptations. The body's ability to conserve heat in vital organs is a key survival mechanism. Digestive systems evolved to efficiently extract nutrients from lean meats. Root digestion processes are optimized to maximize nutrient absorption. Dietary adaptations result in highly efficient digestive system. Body size reduction serves as an energy-saving adaptation for organisms. Smaller body sizes require fewer calories to sustain biological functions. Reduced body size enhances heat retention, minimizing energy expenditure in cold environments. Humans produce tar by heating birch bark, showcasing deliberate innovation. Birch bark tar serves as a waterproof adhesive, demonstrating early material science. The process of tar production involves experimentation to optimize yield and quality. Animal bones are preserved by sealing them in hides. This method represents an early technique for food storage. Sealing bones in hides helps prevent contamination. Smokeless fires are engineered by humans through airflow manipulation. The primary purpose of smokeless fires is likely to evade predators or rivals. Engineering smokeless fires demonstrates strategic planning and advanced cognitive abilities. Humans chart animal migrations and plant availability cycles to predict resource distribution. Precise timing of hunts is achieved through the advanced knowledge of migration patterns and seasonal cycles. Charting migrations demonstrates advanced knowledge of animal behavior and environmental dynamics. Humans demonstrate ingenuity and resourcefulness by constructing dwellings from mammoth ivory in frozen landscapes. Layered survival garments are tailored for protection against the harsh, cold environment. Mammoth ivory serves as a key building material, providing structural support and insulation. The transition from trading paths to structured roads marks a significant advancement in human infrastructure. As camps evolved into cities, human settlements transformed from temporary shelters to permanent communities. The development of symbols into scripts represents a crucial step in the evolution of human communication.